Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A94 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So let's just first open the settings and then tap here on the connection and sharing, then click to the NFC, and now just here we can see that we activated successfully NFC feature. If you want to turn it off, you should click here once again on the switcher. Here we can also tap to tap and pay. We can switch a payment method, for example, if you have no another application, like in my case Sodas is impossible. As you can see, just to turn on or turn off, you should click here on the switcher. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just open notification panel, and somewhere here on the top bar you should find the NFC icon. In my case it's here. To activate NFC, click on the icon. To turn it off, click on the icon again, and to launch the NFC settings, hold for a while this icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.